Hi everyone and welcome to Morning Hustle. In this video, I will show you how to use CapCut. CapCut is a video editing software and it's owned by the same company as TikTok. It is a completely free editing software and it's very good. CapCut has all the standard editing functionality and it's easy to use. What I like about this video software is that you'll be able to access the advanced video editing functionality and looking at the basics because CapCut has so many features that we can't learn all in one video. And by the end of this video, I know you'll be effective enough in using CapCut video editing software as a beginner. You'll be able to learn how to trim and cut your video, how to add your audio, how to add text and auto caption, how to blur and use some of the effects and filters. To start with, you download and install CapCut on either your mobile device, your MacBook, laptop, or iPad. And for this video, we'll be making use of a mobile device because it is the most used device and it's mobile, which means you can easily carry it around with you. After downloading and installing CapCut on your mobile device, it will bring you to their start page. Now, before we continue, please do me the favor by liking this video. Please support me by subscribing to my channel, turn on your notifications, share, and please don't forget to leave a comment. Thank you for subscribing. This is how to use CapCut software for your video editing. After downloading and installing CapCut on your mobile device, it will bring you to their start page. This is what their start page looks like on your mobile device. As you can see, these are some of the videos I've edited. Once you edit, it will automatically save it for you. You click on this expand button to see more features they have on their start page. As you can see from here, photo editor, AutoCut, product photos, AI posters, AI models, camera retouch, auto captions, teleprompter, remove background, image enhancement. I have made a video on how to use CapCut teleprompter for your video recording. I will leave the link in this video description. And for this video, we are looking at the basics on how to use CapCut. Now, you click on New Project. When you click on New Project, it will bring you to your photo gallery, where you either choose videos or you choose photos. For this, we are making use of video. I choose here. I'll click on this and add. After adding, this video is 2.16 seconds long. I want to trim it to 5 seconds. So what I'll do, I'll go to the end of the video. Here, I will now click on this crop button. Look at where this vertical button is. I'll just click on this crop button and drag it back. Drag it this way. Watch the time. Once it's 5 minutes. So the first thing you do when you upload your video, you trim. Trimming means to trim out all the parts you don't want in your videos. Maybe where you made alteration, where you made a gesture you don't like, where you say something you don't like, you can trim it out. To trim, for example, let's say you don't want this part of the video. You place this vertical line there. You place this vertical line in that place and you click on split. When you click on split, you now trim it out. You just trim it by dragging this place, using the crop button to drag it. Same thing applies to every part of your video. You place the vertical line on the part you don't want. You split it there and you drag the part. That means you trim the part by dragging it. That is what you do for the videos and trim out all the parts you don't want. After trimming and you are satisfied with the trimming you've done, you now go to your voice. Maybe you did a voiceover or you want to record a voice there. You can easily come here. Click on audio. You can see record a voice. You click on record. Maybe you want to record a voice. You can see voiceover. You click on the speaker and you do your voiceover. This place, after recording your voice, you can enhance your voice. Then you click here and you are good to go. This video, I did a voiceover while recording my video. So what I'll just do, I'll go to edit. I click on the volume. Okay. This video, I'll be talking about some. So when I'm satisfied with the volume, about some crowd. I click on OK. And I go here, voice enhancement. You can enhance your voice. Maybe you want your voice to sound better. You can click here. Give it a few minutes for it to help enhance your voice. This video, I'll be talking about some crowd. Click on OK. So after working on your voice, you now go to text. If you want all what you are saying to appear in text in your video, click on auto caption. When you click on auto caption, it will bring you here. You click on all, that means all part of what you are saying to appear in text. Now you click on the style of text you want. They have different templates. Okay, let's say for example, I want this template. Then you click on generate. So it's converting everything I'm saying to text. You give it a few minutes to convert. You can see now. Let me play. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. This video, I'll be talking about some crowd. That is how to add auto caption to your videos. Well, in case you want to add text to your video, you click here, add text. You can type what you want. Welcome to my, After typing, you pick the style of text you want. Look at it, you pick any style of text you want, any template here you pick. For example, I want this. Look at welcome to my channel. Effect. You can see they have all types of effects here. You pick on any effect you want. That is the effect I picked. So you can pick this, any effect you want. Just pick on the effect you like for your text. Now you click on animation. Hello everyone. Look at it. Welcome to my. That is where you get animation. If I want the text to come this way, any way you want the text to come. So I still prefer this. Hello everyone and welcome to my. As you can see. After that, bubble is optional. Bubble is optional. So it depends on what you are making the video for. You can click on bubble. Anything you are making the video for, you can click and make use of this. For this video, I don't need this. It depends on the type of video you are making. Then you click on bubble. You click on OK. You are good to go. You can drag it to the end of your video. If you want this welcome to my channel to appear to the end of your video, fine. You now look for where you want to place it. If you want to place it here, if you want to place it down, you do whatever you want with it. If you want it just short, welcome to my channel. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So this video, I'll be talking about. Now we go to effects. These are the effects. We have video effect, body effect, photo effect, video effect. So they have all types of video effect. So they have all sorts of effects here. So you click on any one you want. So any of the effects you want based on your type of video, you pick any of the effects from here and you click here, OK. So any effect you want, you make use of it and apply it to your video. Now we come to filters. So now I want to make use of movie filters. I'll pick on this Barbie. As you can see now, the video is looking pinkish. Let me reduce the pink look. And you click on OK. Any of the filter, I'll drag it here to the end of the video. I'll drag it to the end of the video. So that is it. You can easily adjust it. Here you adjust the filter. If you don't want the filter too much, if you want to reduce it. So I don't want the filter much in my video. So I'll just reduce it. That is where you adjust it. So I'm okay with the filter. Then we click on sticker. Any sticker you want in your video. Sticker here applies to any sticker you want in your video. You can pick on any hot trendy sticker. Any hot trendy sticker. As you can see, subscribe. If you need the subscribe button. Like. These are the stickers. Any sticker you want, you just click here, you pick on any of the stickers. you want. They are all here. You click on stickers, arrow, you can see. This is where you come to pick sticker. If you want this subscribe to the end of the video, you drag it. If you just want it at the beginning, you take it, you just drag it and drag it back to the beginning. After doing that, aspect ratio. Now we go to aspect ratio of our video. We are making this video for YouTube, so the aspect ratio of YouTube is 16.9. So I'm already using 16.9. This video was done in landscape, so that is the aspect ratio. I didn't do it in portrait. As you can see, they have the aspect ratio for Instagram, for TikTok. They have the aspect ratio for each of the platform. So for this platform is YouTube, so I'm using the 16.9 ratio. If I want to go for the 9.16, as you can see, this is what it would look like. For Instagram, this is what it would look like. Now for YouTube, this is what it looks like. So it's always here original. When you are using the standard YouTube aspect ratio, it will be on original. When you come to aspect ratio, to just be here. So it's same thing as the 16.9. You click on OK. Add an audio for this video. Then to add it, you just click on audio, sound. Then you click here, device. You go and click and pick the audio you recorded down. Pick the audio you recorded and add it to your video. Pick your audio by clicking on the plus button and add it to your video. That is how to add audio. Make sure you place it on the beginning. CapCut also have audios you can use. Maybe you just need a sound that you can use for your video. You can type here and click on the type of sound, romantic sound or cinematic sound, any of the sound you want. You click on search, it will bring it out. So it depends on the platform you want to use. If you are using it for TikTok, you don't have any copyright issue. So, but if you are using it for YouTube, I advise you get sound from YouTube audio. It depends on the social media platform you want to use your video on. So whenever you are trying to use audio from any of this platform, make sure you are sure of where you want to use it. If you are using it for Instagram, be careful where you get your audio from to avoid copyright strikes. There are free copyright audios you can easily get. But most times when you finish your video, you see CapCut will display. Just click here. Click here, you can see the crop button and you click on delete. It's gone. Welcome to
this video. I'll be talking about some
crowd there again called Oliver. To add video, maybe you want to add, you have more clips you want to add to your videos. Just click on the plus sign to take you back to your gallery. You select video, you select the video you want and add it. As simple as that. That is it. That is how you add video. So as you can see, CapCut has so many features to offer. They have so many features to offer. We can't learn everything in this video. Just as I said earlier, I'll be making short videos on all the features. Any features you know you don't understand or you want to understand better, please leave a comment. Leave a comment in this video description. I'll be delighted to make a short video for you. As you can see, CapCut is very easy to use. And with so much advanced functionality, it helps make content creation easy. And I'm sure you'll be able to practicalize what you've learned from this video and start making use of CapCut for your video editing and all your content creation. If there are any features of CapCut you want me to throw more light on, I'll be delighted to do so. Please state it by leaving a comment in this video. I'm sure you've learned a lot from watching this video. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, turn on your notification bell, share, and please leave a comment.